My name is Don, and I'm doing these videos just to give people ideas on what they can actually do. On the other video, I did the dipstick, and this was left out. This is the size of the tubing I used for the dipstick. It came from Napa. You can see that on the label. Now I'm going to do the modification for the offset cooler on the block. So set it up. I have a lot of stepped spot cutters, but I had to make one out of a tap, so for the right size. Missed it. There we go. The other one the same. Oops. Wait a minute. I gotta reset it. There we go. Better. There, nice solid. This one has the stop set. But you continue to go down. There's stop. Wheel chatter. Make sure I have them both at the same depth. Yep. Okay, just to show that the cutter is absolutely the same on a offset or doghouse cooler. Now you have to drill the holes for the cooler studs, and we'll set that up. Cut it for a minute. Ready. I had to reposition the platform so I can make these drill holes. That's a 9mm. You can see that that fits really nice. Now the next hole that has to be drilled is for the other stud. This drill bit has flats on it, so it's got to be on the drill bit itself, proper way. Might have to lower the stand again. Okay, stand has to be lowered again, so hang on 1 minute. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh. This has to be drilled to a particular depth. Put that down. Okay, there's a depth of cut there. Almost. I should have used the calipers maybe. This is good enough though. There we go, there's the depth of cut. Okay, and drill bit is already hitting the block. So we can release this and start drilling. Okay, now I have to readjust again. For the top. There we go. This is how it gets started. Really easy. And pretty straight, holding the tension on it. Okay, it started really well. And all I have to do is take it out. We'll lock the drill press down. Again, loosen it up, unlock it. Now I can bring the engine block over to the table and finish the process. We'll put a little bit of WD-40 in there as well. Clean off the top. Bring the tab back out. It's an 8mm stud, 8 1/4 thread. Clean the top off again. Now, drill bit was about a 7.5. Right in between, it's a domestic drill, but it's a right size for the 8mm top. For full thread. Okay, I hit the bottom, I believe. Oh, just a little bit more. Guess I'm gonna have to clean it. There we go, we're bottom down. It's about 8:30 at night. Do this stuff after I working on the basement shop, trying to get everything cleaned up because I do more than just engines. And then the stud, 8mm, goes right in. So it's all set up now to do the conversion There's one more step that needs to be done, and that is to drill the holes here a little bit bigger. If you look at the standard case, the holes are even bigger than what I'm using. That's a dual relief valve block. This is a single. See, it drills pretty easy and it goes right straight to the opening. Unlike the dipstick. Now, of course, the block all has to be cleaned up. And I'll probably build this engine at a later date and let you see the whole process of the engine building. It's a really good case. Unfortunately, it's going in my car. And it's a crossbar case which could be used in a bus, because it's a universal case now, all set up for the cooler, for the doghouse, and these are the oil pressure relief valves. One is a type 3, it's a little bit longer, and the other one is a type 1. Now, if you want to protect the cooler a little bit better, you can use the type 3, but you can see that both of them allow a certain percentage of oil to bypass, so it protects the cooler. Can you see the length? Okay, so that should do that. Hopefully this is helpful for anybody that wants to do this modification. And it can also be done on a 40 horsepower engine and maybe a 36 if you weld a little bit more around here to give you the amount of a plate for it to bolt to. So you can have a 36 horsepower with a doghouse. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and I hope you get something out of it. I'm sorry I'm a little on the clumsy side in some ways, but it works. And an opportunity to do something else. Now I have more videos that will be coming up. Hopefully I won't be as clumsy. I'm not used to doing videos. Thank you so much.